E don settle Asari Dokubo and the Tinubu. As e be like this now, Asari Dokubo don declare alliance with the northern people. He say e no go work with the Yorubas. Say Yorubas are betrayers. My people, you need to watch this video from beginning to end. They say what goes around also turns around. Now e don reach Asari Dokubo turn. Asari Dokubo dey go gaga. Watch the video before we come back and continue. Stay tuned. My people, abeg before I play this video, make you rush now go follow my new page Barabat this vlog, and make sure say they share the video for over there so that other people go dey see the page, they follow up. Thank you so much for doing that. Oya, watch the video before we come back and continue.
Like we said, we are not in competition with anybody. You have your responsibility, your duties to carry out. It's up to you to carry out your duties. We have our services to offer, and it is also our duty to offer our services. If you appreciate us, this is not time. As you left your house in the morning before 5 o'clock, you are coming here. You are not at home, but people leave their house in the morning. Their children are waiting for them to bring something for them to eat. The aged parents are waiting for you in the village, and if you don't return, what happens? Who will provide for them? That is what it is. These people go out in the morning, putting their faith that they've been given assurance that if they come out, nothing will happen to them. And they came out and they were mowed down, killed. You don't just sit and criticize. You don't just sit and tell people, do you have the capacity to turn the narratives? We have. Not because we are the most powerful, because God has given us. We are sincere. We are committed with what we are doing. We have never competed with anybody. Anywhere they say, oh, go on joint operation, we subordinate ourselves to them. We have never rubbed shoulders with them. Even if we are older and we are doing the others of the tax, our own needs, we have an agreement. When we finish our tax, we leave. How would you be shamelessly calling on terrorists for doing a job you are supposed to do, and you cannot do it? And then the enemies you are confronting on your behalf will be saying, kill him, kill them. Do you know how many people, how many policemen that have been killed in these past few days in Anambra and in Imo? Do you know how many army people that have been killed in these past days? No one of our person was killed. They did not attack any of our FOP. None of our page was attacked because they know us. Jesus. They go not enter them. They know us. But that is, they go not enter them. That one, and when you come out that magnet for your house. And that paparapa, you tire. Yes, sir. If you no come out that magnet for your hand, the thing will enter you. That paparapa, no tire, the thing go enter you. The people, they didn't come to us. They didn't come to our place. Our vehicles drive past, they don't engage us. Because they know say these people, they are, oh no. Then they know say these people, they are, oh no. They engage us. They don't engage us. They drive for Nemo. Then see us. They don't engage us. They know us. Black and black. They know us. Now black and black, then they call us everywhere. And that is why you must keep yourself clean. Nobody say you go take money for 2 months, 3 months, and that's the end of you. The next thing we put inside bus, carry go village. No. Maintain your sanctity, maintain your holiness, maintain your purity. There is nowhere where we no go fit go conquer. When we tell them, say, if na Niger, anywhere, call us, we go there, go conquer. And we go conquer, come back. Nowhere where we no go fit go conquer. And God has been merciful to us. Even though some of us get magnet for their answer, God has been merciful. Then they see and they confirm. One way, one way, one way, one way. Some say Abuja, some say Kano, some say Sokoto, we dey go. Wherever they are, call us, we'll go and meet them. Whether na Borono, whether na Yobe, whether na Sokoto, Zamfara, or Niger, or Kaduna, or Katsina, or whether na for Abuja, or whether na for Anambra, whether na for Imo, just call us. Eh?
Yes, sir! Anywhere all over the world.
Yes, sir. Anywhere. You call us, we will go there.
I tell you.
Yes. Erema Oyibo, Remaso, Oyibo. Yeah. Oyibo, Remaso, Oyibo. Waye Chineda. Oyibo, Remaso, Oyibo. Oyibo, Remaso, Oyibo. Waye Chineda. Yes. Oyibo, Remaso, Oyibo. Waye Chineda. Yes. Yeah, Oyibo, yes, Oyibo. It's a Waye Chineda. Yes, now, Crotaimbo. In the market, eh?
Yes, sir.
Gonna buy my beer meal. Gonna buy my beer meal. Wherever they are. When the duty calls, we'll go there. The people are suffering. The people are dying. Today, people cannot go to the farm because insurgents will not allow them to go to their farm. People cannot go to the market because insurgents will not allow them to go to the market. What they produce is getting spoiled, wasted. This is our call. This is what we do. To open the places for the people to go back to their farm to bring the product. The bag of rice here in Obama is 150,000 a bag. We have gone into rice production because we have to reduce the price of rice here. Our people don't farm here because it is not part of our specialization. It's Zoman, no be farmer. It's Zoman of Vijama. I am gentleman of Islam. I can jump into the water and cast some fish. And Suku cannot shook my hand. I am gentleman of his own. I can jump into the water and catch some fish. And Suku cannot shook my hand.
Yes, sir.
Yes. That is what we are. You can't change us from what we are to something else. The two things that the job people identify with is war and fishing. The Joma, what he has been from time immemorial, all the people that are talking there, we are the people who ferry people to Lagos to go and fight. Our profession has been war and yes. We can't turn to farmers. Look at this land; it cannot farm. You know, go be turn lion, making come to chop grass. But today, because of hunger that is coming, after they've paid money for people to do bunkering, destroy our land, do all sorts of things, bomb our land, after they are the ones encouraging bunkering because of Joe, to tell people, they do all those evil things against our people. They look. A young man, not the most patient man with people. But in reaction, strong pass tsunami. A young man reaction, strong pass tsunami. He's the most patient man. Then say when water come, our brain go. When water go, our brain go. When water come, our brain come. How can they call us? Because we are patient. We can endure more than other people can endure. Do you know what it takes for an Ijaw man to get lost at sea without anything, sun and everything? The Ijaw man's life is perilous. The Ijaw man's life is surrounded with danger. There are no people like us. You go to our bushes, you see elephant. You go to our bushes, you see wild animals of different species. You go when other people are praising their nationality, I look at them. I say, what have they seen? You see small snake. Small snake. You see small water, gutter water, you say, na mami water. Mami water dey there. Jama via jama na abadi wula wula. Yeah. Yes. You see the Joma crocodile? Is it a hippopotamus? Is it what that the Joma does not encounter? In these thousands of years, the Joma had been here. He refused to leave. And it has cooked him. The more one has saw, made him stronger. We are the most patient people. We are patient with other people. But when we start, they say we don't start to. Because patience runs out at times. Patience runs out at times. And if you think you are targeting one Ijaw man, I'm sorry for you. You targeted Boro. What benefit did he give you? When you target Boro. The ones who come out, no plenty pass Boro. So if you target the Huasa, the ones that will come will be more than the Huasa.
More generous. Asawana! Asawana! Asawana!
There are mosquito legs that will come out. General Yongere. So that is what it is. When duty comes, we answer it. My advice to you is discipline. You have to stand out. There must be a clear demarcation between your behavior and their behavior. A clear distinction between your character and their character. They are not going there to kill innocent people in the name of operation. Like what they did at Okwama, what they did at the Bomatoro 1 and 2. You go and kill innocent people. And you pride yourself as a military. Innocent citizens of the country, you are supposed to assist. You are supposed to defend. You take pride in killing innocent people. But whatever it is, we cannot degenerate and condescend to their level.
Never.
Our strict code of engagement is what God Himself gave us. Our covenant is what God Himself gave us. And we keep our covenant to the letter. And that's why we don't, when 1,000 fall on our right hand side, 1,000 fall on our left hand side, 1,000 fall in front of us, 1,000 fall behind us, we trample on them.
Yes.
Because we are morally stronger, morally more powerful than them. Every time our brothers from the southwest take government, they use it to hunt us. It was Obasanjo who brought Land Use Act, Petroleum Act, confiscate all our districts. Now, Niger Delta Ministry, which was one of the 7-point agenda brought by Yaradua. President Ahmed Bola Tinubu has abolished and appointed development commission with which person's money? With resources from where? And there is no development commission for South. We are patient. We are pushing the people and daring them and pushing them and daring them and finding what can they do, what can they do. They will do something one day. Whoever your advisor is that is telling you that they are the people, they are the people, they are the people, what can they do? Our fathers were not, some of us as younger people had come up to say that our fathers formed alliance with the North. They were not wrong after all. The North is very far away. They are not in Ondo State with us. They are not in Rivers State with us. So it is those who are close to us that are always struggling to undo us. For Ijaw people in the South, today I feel that I apologize to our fathers like Dababri, like Medford Okilo, that they were not wrong in forming alliance with the North. And as young men, we will now start that same alliance now. As I am today, from today, I will walk and form alliance with the North and to crush all of the opposition. Because those who hate us, whatever we do for them does not mean anything to them. Whatever Ijaw people do to them does not mean anything to them. You go all over Ijaw land. We will take this message that it's only the Northerners that can work with the Ijaw people. We cannot work with the Yoruba people. They are betrayers to us. We risked our life, voted, did everything. This is what we get. Our governor that is in Rivers State, you are struggling with an Igbo man who does not know where he comes from. It's Oba Bonwa to remove him. And now you remove what we use our blood and sweat to get Niger Delta Ministry. We will take this message to every nook and cranny of Ijaw land.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We will tell them, we will tell them, our enemies are here with us. The North is not our enemy. Tell them, the North is not our enemy. And I, who spearheaded this movement to fight the North, I regret it today. When they say the waiting elders they see sitting down, young man go see whether they stand up, you know they see. Yes, I have seen it now. And the consequences will be lasting. They will see the job people. They will see the job people. They say the North is weakened. We will strengthen the North. An enemy of your enemy is your friend.
Ma.
We did not look for Yoruba people's enmity. We voted for them. I personally, I sacrificed everything for them. But since they have chosen us as enemies, we will choose them as our enemies too.
Yes.
A passenger took what belonged to us through land use act. Ahmed Bola Tinubu is taking what we fought for and was given to us by the North, by Yar'Adua and other Northerners. It was Tafawa Balewa who gave us Niger Delta Basin Authority. Through the instrumentality of the Wilkins Commission, they came and they created river basin in all their gutters. Every gutter in Yoruba land became river basin. Every gutter in the north became river basin. Every gutter in Igbo land became river basin. Like when even the smallest river, Asari Toru, is bigger than all the rivers in their place. Now they gave NDDC. They came and polluted it and reduced it to nothing. And the ministry given to us has been taken away from us. They will see the backlash of it.
Asawana!
This one Nigeria, we are all going to maintain it. And this privilege they had, they will never have it again.
Asawana! Hey, so! Yeah.
This privilege that they had, that all of us struggle and thinking that we are from the south, we are the same, that we gave them, they will never have it again.
Papa! Papa!
They will never have it again. We work with the North. We work with the most extreme elements in the North, not moderate. We will inflict the same pain that they are inflicting on us, on them.
Papa!
When somebody is ungrateful, somebody is a betrayer, you must tell him you are a betrayer and you are ungrateful. There's a limit to what you can do to people. None of us is going to fight anything. We are not leaving Nigeria. We will be in Nigeria together. The job people are not leaving Nigeria to anywhere. We will be in this Nigeria and live and see each other eyeball to eyeball inside it. He that is down need fear no fall. When reactionary element takes over a government, when haters takes over a government, after people had made painful sacrifices, spend their money, put their life, their reputation, everything online, what you pay them back with is ingratitude and betrayal. As you are singing 2 by 2 from village to village in Ijoland, as you started IYZ, that's what we are going to comment. You go now.
Yes,
we are waiting for the Northerners to come. We are ready to work with them.
Yes.
If you want to make a change, the best thing you do in a democracy is to call town hall meeting to discuss, interface with the people. Who did you consult? You think that we are nobody, so you can take any decision you like. The consequences of that decision will be seen. We have told them, leave Fubre alone. We never finish that one. The next thing, then slam us, and Niger Delta minutes. Okay. God did. I do.
My wonderful people, please share this video and drop your own opinion in the comment section as it dey hot, and don't forget to follow that our new page so that other people, of course, as they follow, they share and people go they see them too. Asari Dokubo, he don't read though. Well, we dey here they watch, we don't get anything to talk about this particular video, but I want you to drop your own opinion in the comment section because Asari Dokubo self they watch.